Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you the daily rewards you will receive when you join any VIP on Poppo Life. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so what I just have to do now is to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then what I have to do next is to click here that it says VIP. After that, if you want to check the daily rewards you will receive when you join any of these VIP on Poppo Life, all you have to do is to look right here on any of the VIP. You are going to see the amount of coin you will receive per day when you join this particular VIP, and this is actually normal VIP. All right, so let's move on to super VIP. So if you look right here again, you are going to see the amount of coin you receive daily when you join the super VIP, and it goes like that for the other two VIPs on Poppo Life. You can see right here, this year you receive 35,000 coin daily for joining this VIP, and for this one you are still going to receive 35,000 coin for joining the VIP. All right, so guys, this is how you can actually check your daily rewards for each of the VIP on Poppo Life. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to check it. If you guys give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.